Hello friends, welcome to Code Mentor channel. In this video, we will talk about CGPA full form. What is the meaning of CGPA or stand for CGPA? CGPA is a cumulative grade point average. This is decided by academic achievement of student in the school or college, and CGPA basically defined in term of A, B, C, D, F grades. Instead of marks, some universities or school or board uh, provide the grade to student according to their exam achievement or their overall year achievements, what he has done or she has done. The fixed percentage of achievement define the grading. It is called cumulative grade point average. Now, how to calculate? Topic wise percentage of marks equal to 9.5 into subject GP. Okay, now overall marks percentage equal to 9.5 into overall CGPA. For example, if you have 9.5 is a fixed value and you have subject GP is 5.9, then what is the overall percentage is 9.5 into 5.9. That means you got 56.05% in your exam. Okay, this is the percentage which will come by CGPA. Okay, now other full form of CGPA: Center for Governance, Public and Accountability, Caregivers Placement Agency, Canadian Group Physiotherapy Association, Canadian Group Physiotherapy Association, Canadian Generic Paramacutial Association. These full form you can write in your book or pause the video and learn. So it will help you to crack your GK questions if you get CGPA full form, any CGPA full form. Okay, now subscribe to Code Meta channel by clicking subscribe button to get more videos on different topic full forums or technical videos and more knowledgeable question answer. See you in next video. Bye bye.